How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to give you a quick update on what's happening in the cryptocurrency market because there's something that could happen that would drastically hurt cryptocurrency. And I think the biggest thing, whenever something like this happens, the biggest thing we can do is spread awareness and try to fight back against it. So I want to talk about what this new act is and what it could mean for cryptocurrency and what I think about it, whether I would sell everything if this happens or not, and just looking at the overall market. Now, if you guys don't mind hitting the like button and subscribe button, I really appreciate that. This is going to be a short video, straight into the point. So if you guys like that kind of thing, hit the bell notification so you know right when I post a video, because some of this stuff is timely. Also, there's a link down there to BlockFi in case you want interest rate on your crypto. It's really nice. This month I made $147 just with passive income on BlockFi, and they give you up to $250 when you sign up and start depositing. So definitely check that out. Now, before we get to the new act, I just wanted to bring this up to you because the US just gave out their GDP numbers and it was pretty high. So the GDP expanded 5.7% for all of 2021 and at a 6.9% annual rate from October through December. So this is great for the economy, not always so great for the stock and crypto market. Now today, the crypto market is pretty much sideways since yesterday. We came down a little bit after the Fed spoke, but the stock market is up a little bit at the time of this recording. So usually people would get fearful about this because that means that there's more of a likelihood to increase interest rates, but I think everyone got that yesterday from the Fed meeting. So I think that's why we're not seeing necessarily a bad thing happening in the stock market or the crypto market from this number here. But I want to bring this to your attention because it is important to pay attention to what's happening in the economy. Now, we did get a new act that could let Treasury secretly ban crypto transactions. Now, this is a proposed act. So they say they have raised concerns about proposed provision in the America Competes Act. So it looks like this was just snuck into this bill. And this would give the U.S. Treasury the overarching power to immediately ban any financial transactions associated with money laundering risks. So this could be terrible for crypto because we know regulators are very cautious about crypto. They think that it's just full of money launderers, or NFTs the same way. And we've seen NFTs blow up recently. This would give the Treasury Department a significant amount of power to be able just to make calls and ban certain transactions. So people would have to start using VPNs or be using DeFi, but it would be really hard to go through some of these centralized exchanges, for example, BlockFi, Coinbase, those types of corporations. Be hard to start getting your hands on crypto. Now, this is coming at an interesting time because at the same time, if this was passed and if they started cutting down on crypto or cracking down on crypto, Vladimir Putin stopped a ban proposal on Bitcoin while supporting mining in Russia. Game theory is playing out as planned. So at the same time that the US is trying to regulate it into the ground, it looks like, possibly, Vladimir Putin is opening up the floodgates to crypto, it seems like. So every single country that bans crypto or regulates it too heavily, there's going to be an opposing country that wants to get in on that because there's a lot of money and there's a lot of power in it. So I think that this is most likely not going to happen. I think that usually these things work themselves out, but it is something to have on your radar. Now, what am I doing? Well, I'm not selling all my crypto right now, and a lot of traders aren't even doing that either. A lot of analysts, for example, Will Clemente, an analyst, says, I will always hold some Bitcoin in case of a major catalyst. Just look at what happened when Tesla announced their buy, plus 20% of the price. Now imagine a central bank buying another nation state following El Salvador, or a major energy producer getting involved in mining. And we know that this is the case. There's so many catalysts that could happen that could make it explode. And a lot of people think that a lot of these nations are going to have to start stacking Bitcoin. Some people are saying that they already know who the next country is that's going to accept Bitcoin as a legal tender, like El Salvador, and after that it gets faster and faster and faster. So I think there are too many positives to go and sell everything, and it's not like they're going to take your crypto away from you. They can't do that, but they could regulate it and make it much more difficult to get your money out and get it in and stuff like that. But there's always going to be some way of doing this. I mean, people in China or Turkey, where Bitcoin has been banned or crypto has been banned at certain times, they still have the ability to use crypto and DeFi and stuff like that, and usually it explodes. A lot of people want it when it's banned. So I just wanted to bring this to your attention. I didn't want to spend too much time on it here today, but I want to bring it to your attention just in case this progresses further. You guys should know. Now, I am planning on probably doing another video today looking at the market a little bit more in depth, covering some of the top news, but I want to hear your opinions on this underneath the video. Overall, crypto's not doing too much. Of course, we have fallen a little bit down since yesterday, but we'll see what happens over the next few days. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Check out the link down below to BlockFi, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.